Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no valid QR code detected in WhatsApp. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your app store and from here what you need to do is tap on update. Tap on this. After update your app, go back your home screen and open any one browser like Chrome and tap on this and tap on WhatsApp web. Tap on this WhatsApp web. You guys can see, tap on this and tap on first link, and from here what you need to do is tap on three lines and tap on history, and from here you tap on clear browser history and tap on this and tap on all time. Tap on this all time, and from here what you need to do is tap on clear and tap on again clear. Wait for some seconds, and after that go back here home screen and open your WhatsApp app. Tap on WhatsApp, and from here tap on again three dots and tap on link device and tap on link a device and tap on OK. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.